So guys, I filled this out before I started the video. The page count 115, black and white interior, then list price is 10.97. I hit calculate and it gave me the estimated royalty of $4.35 US $4.35. Then I go over to tckpublishing.com and estimated sales per month is 552. Daily sales is 37. So I'm gonna do some calculation. So we're gonna take 552 times estimated royalty of 435 times 435, and that gives us approximately $2,000 per month. And if we were to take 435 again times 37, oh, 435 times 37, that gives us $160 per day. So it's approximately $160 per day and $2,000 of sales per month. So guys, if you're interested in learning more about this niche, keep watching to the end. Let's go. Guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with perfect niche number 6, and I'm just so interested and excited to make these videos because people are seeing results with it, and that gives me motivation to keep making these videos. So in this video, so without further ado, let's get right into it. So then this niche is the riddles, to be specific, Christmas riddles. So riddles is not something new. I think in one point in our lives we must have said a riddle to someone or family member or friend or something like that. So this book contains 300 riddles, brain teasers for kids and family, and it's a Christmas edition. So it's priced $10.97 and has over 187 sales, approximately 147 reviews, and these bears are here. It's about 7,000. And now let's go to Amazon and see the interior, what it looks like. So I clicked look inside and did a scroll. It has a lot of irrelevant things. Let's just scroll to where it's relevant, which is this one right here. Yeah, chapter 1, easy riddles, then right here. So it says, when I'm outside, I am tall and naked, part of nature. When I am inside, you light me up and decorate me beyond recognition. You love to gather around me on Christmas morning. What am I? I'm thinking it's a Christmas tree. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know where to find these answers. I hope there are answers. I hope this book has answers. Let's look at the table of contents. All right, there are answers. So the answers are right here, Okay, at the end of each chapter, there are answers. So that's how we should structure a book. This looks like fun. So I think it's a great book. Look at this, 147 ratings. Alright, so now that we've seen the interior, let me show you where I found other interiors where you can create your own, because that's what I always recommend, that you create your own interiors. But I'm just going to show you websites where I found some Christmas riddles. So this one is 102 Christmas riddles. This is the first website, Reader's Digest, and it's 102 Christmas riddles for guaranteed holiday cheer. And let's scroll. So the first one says, these are found in the Harry Potter books and in the Lord of the Rings too. They help make Christmas gifts that Santa brings to you. What are they? Elves. So this one also has the answers there right away. So there are over 102 of them. And the second website, it's called parade.com, and this one too is 100 Christmas riddles. So 102 plus 100 is 202. So we already have 202 riddles, but please, if you can recreate it to make it personal or make it unique, that would be awesome, because these riddles, people have already seen them, and the likelihood that someone has it in the book is very high. So in order to reduce the chances of Amazon flagging your book for copyright or something, it's best that we recreate it into something unique. So this one says, I come with many colors, very big and bright. I turn so many houses into a beautiful sight. What am I? Okay, Christmas light. I was thinking of Christmas tree, but it's Christmas light. So these are fun riddles to do um, on Christmas. We can. This must not only be done on Christmas. You can also make this for other holidays. Hanukkah. You can do the Hanukkah version. Um, and other holidays that are upcoming. New Year edition. You can do the New Year version. So that was just something that I wanted to let you guys know about. I just wanted to do a short video telling you about this niche and how you can get the interiors made. And that's basically it, guys. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And besides, I'm going to leave the links to this. I'm going to leave the links to this website in the description below. So if you're interested in it, click on the link in the description and you'll be brought to the website. So guys, I found two additional websites. I know earlier I said two websites, but the this person made 300 videos. Look here, it's 300, and if we're just to make like 200 or something, the chances that we're gonna get the sales is pretty slim. We need to make a book that is better than the one that is making the most sales, and in this case is 300, so we can make something like 320 or even 400. So I decided to do additional two websites, and those websites are, this first one is called Scary Mommy. It's 53 Christmas riddles. Let's read the first one. I come with many colors, so beautiful. I think this was copied from another website. Not that I'm shading or anything, but let's see. It's similar to, let's see, is it this one? Let's see. I think I already read this. Yeah, this one right here. I come with many colors, so da da da. What am I? Christmas lights. Christmas mommy, the same thing. Which one of Santa's reindeer is the fastest? Dasha. Anyway, so these are 53 of them, and the second is on the food website actually is 110. So we have like the first one was 102, second 100, third now is 110. So that's definitely more than 300, and we have extra 53 here. So this one 110 Christmas riddles, and let's do a scroll. Oh, it doesn't have numbers. I was expecting to see numbers. Anyway, let's go to the first one. It says, what was the first company that used Santa Claus in advertising? Wow. Are you kidding me? I don't even know. Let's check the answer. Coca-Cola. Wow. So this one, I like that the answers are hidden, that you have to click to show the answer. In Charles Dickens's A Christmas Carol, what was the first name of Scrooge? Well, these questions are, I think, a little bit difficult for kids. If you're doing a kids Christmas riddles book, this should be like for teens or adults. So maybe you can even put this in the difficult section, like for this book. Yeah, there's an easy, hard, and difficult. Yeah, if you can put this in the difficult section, yeah, this will be awesome, because these questions are pretty hard even for me. A Christmas Carol, what was the first name of Scrooge? Ebenezer, yeah. What country did eggnog come from? I don't even know. So these are pretty hard questions. So those are the four websites. I'm gonna leave them in the description below. And so guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand like KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.